If you've been hitting public the second you finish uploading, you're making a massive mistake. Honestly, it's probably why your views are stalling. This one tiny oversight is costing you subscribers and killing your engagement. In today's video, I'm breaking down the right way to upload so the YouTube algorithm actually pushes your content to the right people and helps you stack up those views. What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is all about YouTube growth, strategy, and the tools you need to actually scale your channel. If that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. All right, so when you go to upload, you're faced with a few options: public, private, unlisted, premiere, and schedule. Most new creators just click public without a second thought. Big mistake. Here's why. When you go straight to public, you aren't giving YouTube any time to process your video. The system needs a minute to crawl your title, thumbnail, description, and tags. Without that lead time, YouTube might dump your video in front of the wrong audience, which is a total death sentence for your CTR and watch time. Look, not everyone on the platform cares about your niche, whether you're doing lifestyle vlogs, educational content, to comedy. YouTube needs to index your video so it knows exactly who's going to love it. Seriously, stop the instant public uploads. It's tanking your visibility and slowing down your growth. Think about it. If you make content about the NFL and the algorithm pushes it to someone who only watches cooking videos, they're just going to scroll past. That tells YouTube your video isn't good, even if it's a masterpiece. So, what should you do instead? First off, quit uploading from the mobile app. Sometimes it glitches and doesn't even ping your subscribers. Stick to the desktop studio dashboard. If you're on your phone, just use the Chrome browser in desktop site mode. There's a specific toggle there: publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. You want to make sure that's checked so your core fans actually see your new drop. Let's look at the visibility settings. Private, just for you. Good for storage, but nobody else can find it. Unlisted, only people with the link can see it. This is perfect if you want to send the video to a friend for a vibe check before it goes live. You can also use this time to drop a pinned comment or add info cards. Public. We already talked about why instant public is a bad move for smaller channels. Premiere. This is basically a live viewing party, great for big announcements or high production videos to build some hype. Schedule. This is the holy grail for small YouTubers. It gives the algorithm hours or days to study your metadata and find your seed audience before the doors even open. Here's the play. Don't schedule for today. If it's March 29th, aim for April 1st or 2nd. Pick a peak time, say 6 p.m. Once it's set, you're done. You can batch create 10 videos, schedule them out for the month, and stay consistent without the daily stress. That's the secret sauce for today. If this helped you out, do me a huge favor. Hit the like button so the algorithm shares this with more creators. And if you're serious about winning on YouTube, subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Thanks for hanging out until the end. I'll catch you in the next one.